In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox crashing and freezing on Windows. First thing you want to do is you want to go here and type in Windows Update. So often when you see updates, you have to update them because often these updates comes with fixes to bugs and issues. So I really recommend that you always keep up to date here. So once you do this, now you want to go here to the device manager. Under device manager, go to display adapters and right click on your graphics cards and update them. So if you click update driver and browse my computer, here you'll find the latest driver for your graphics card. Click next to update. So do the same thing here to your if you have like another driver here, another graphics card, do the same thing. So just browse and just update to the latest version for your graphics card. So once you have this one done, now what you want to do is you want to search Roblox here. So search Roblox player, right click, open file location, and here you will right click, properties, compatibility, run this program in compatibility mode, and then run this program as an administrator. After this, click apply and OK, and this should fix your issue.